Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Zach Pasquarello, and I teach you how to start a bookkeeping business in less than 30 days with no experience. And I know exactly how you should do it because I did it 3 years ago with no experience. And my only goal with making these videos is so that I can share what I've learned with you so that you can fast track to success and avoid all of the mistakes that I made. So I just recently hired my first full-time employee. So now it's me and one other person. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm a little bit conflicted. I feel like I might stop making these YouTube videos. I'm not sure where I want to go. So I just wanted to hop on real quick to give you guys an update because for the past 3 months, I have been making a new video almost every single day, teaching you how to start a bookkeeping business and sharing my experiences and showing you guys how to do QuickBooks and bookkeeping and sales and marketing and everything else. So I feel like I owe you guys an explanation as to why I've been posting fewer videos in the past 2 weeks. So like I said, I just hired my first full-time employee on Monday. So now basically I'm teaching her everything that I know. I'm teaching her how to do QuickBooks and bookkeeping for all of my current clients. So the goal is she's going to do all of the bookkeeping and I'm going to focus more on sales and business development and client acquisition and just generally growing the business. So I need to decide, where should I spend my time? So this is kind of like an update to my followers on YouTube, but it's also probably relevant to you if you are in a similar situation. Maybe you are trying to hire a full-time employee and maybe you're trying to figure out what are the next steps. Additionally, 2 weeks ago, I just onboarded my biggest client ever. They're paying me $2,500 a month to do their bookkeeping. So it's a lot of money, but it's also a ton of work. So I'm really busy doing that. So the whole point of this video is that I'm super busy and I need to focus my attention so that I can do the right thing. And I'm not so sure that making these YouTube videos and creating a course on starting your own bookkeeping business is necessarily the right thing for me to do right now. That's what I wanted to do. 6 months ago, I decided I'm going to launch a course in the summer of 2023. I'm going to teach people how to start their own bookkeeping business. So I used my YouTube channel to develop a following and to start teaching everybody how to start their own bookkeeping business. And through that process, I've received a ton of great feedback. I've gotten a lot of great questions from fellow bookkeepers, and I've actually helped a lot of people through one-on-one mentorships and consultations. So I put out a ton of content in anticipation of creating a course, and I was going to sell it, and I was going to teach you guys how to start a bookkeeping business from scratch through a paid course, not just free on my YouTube channel. And I was going to continue offering like one-on-one consultations and mentorships to people trying to start a bookkeeping business. However, my actual business just took off in the last 3 months. I wasn't planning on hiring somebody. I wasn't planning on getting so busy. So now I'm at the point I need to decide, do I focus on my own business and my own bookkeeping, or do I focus on teaching other people how to start a bookkeeping business? And honestly, I'm coming on here to tell you guys, I'm probably going to focus on my own bookkeeping business because I just hired somebody. I just onboarded my biggest client ever. So for my own business, I need to focus on business development, growth, client acquisition, and training and managing my current bookkeeper who I just hired. Unfortunately, I will not be dropping a course in the near future like I wanted to. However, I will continue to update you guys on my own bookkeeping business, and hopefully I will continue to teach everybody how to start and grow a bookkeeping business the exact same way that I am currently doing. Like, I plan on maybe shifting more towards kind of just documenting my experience and my journey more so than strategically teaching you step by step how to start a bookkeeping business. So I'm not done completely 100% making videos. I am going to slow down making videos. Like I said before, I was making one almost every day. I'm probably going to switch to like 1 or 2 a week, and they're probably going to be geared more towards generally updating you on the success and failure, like I always talk about, the good and the bad, the highs and the lows of my business with my full-time employee, my biggest client ever, and me taking on more of a sales role and a business development role. Hopefully, by hiring this new employee, I'm able to get an extra $5,000 of monthly revenue. That's my goal for the next 6 months, to onboard $5,000 worth of new clients. So the last thing I'm going to talk about is one cool new service that I'm offering with my new employee. I'm offering on-site office management services, which is something I've never really done. I've always strictly done bookkeeping, but now that I have a full-time employee, she's going to do a lot of my QuickBooks for my current clients, and then hopefully I'm going to find other business owners who need a part-time subcontracted office manager. And there's two reasons why this is hugely beneficial. And if you have your own bookkeeping business, I totally recommend try to implement this service in your own business. So a lot of business owners are too busy. They need help in their office. Obviously, they can't manage it on their own. However, they don't have enough work or enough money to hire a full-time employee, and they don't have the knowledge or the time to train somebody on how to do office management tasks. So we can offer my clients 3 or 4 hours per week or more of office management. So you're not paying for a full-time employee. However, you will pay a premium. You're going to pay us $50 an hour, which is a premium, a lot more than you would pay a full-time employee per hour, but you're not paying 40 hours a week. You're only paying 3 hours a week. So you end up saving money. And even more importantly, my employee is going to be fully trained on QuickBooks, have a ton of bookkeeping knowledge, and have me as support to answer any questions that she might have. So we come less than part-time, 3 hours a week, which you're not going to hire any employee, part-time or full-time, obviously, for 3 hours a week. So we're subcontracted, so a lot less hours, but you are paying a premium. And most importantly, you get that bookkeeping and QuickBooks expertise. So that's my plan for the next probably 2 months is I'm just going to sell, try to get $5,000 of extra revenue for my business and train and manage my full-time employees. So I hope you guys stay tuned to my YouTube channel. I might kind of mix it up, but I'm going to try to keep it interesting. It's going to be talking about bookkeeping still, starting and growing the bookkeeping business. I'm just going to share more of my personal journey and my own bookkeeping business. So lastly, if you guys need help, I'm still offering one-on-one mentorship and consultation. As always, there's a link in the description of the video. Go ahead and schedule a meeting with me. I would be more than happy to work with you and help you start and grow your own bookkeeping business.